Drink water immediately. Start your day with a glass of water. It helps hydrate your body after a night's sleep and can kickstart your metabolism. 5 benefits of water. Hydrates the body, maintains proper hydration and bodily function. Supports digestion, aids in digestion and nutrient absorption. Regulates temperature, helps regulate body temperature through sweating. Detoxifies, flushes out toxins through urine. Improves skin health, keeps skin hydrated and may reduce dryness. Eat a protein-rich breakfast. A high-protein breakfast can keep you full longer and increase your metabolic rate more than carbs or fats. 5 benefits of protein. Builds muscle, supports muscle growth and repair. Increases satiety, helps you feel full longer. Aids metabolism, boosts metabolic rate and calorie burning. Supports immune function, essential for antibody production. Regulates hormones, involved in hormone synthesis and regulation. Incorporate healthy fats. Adding healthy fats like avocado or nuts can help regulate your metabolism and keep you satisfied. 5 benefits of incorporate healthy fats. Supports heart health, reduces bad cholesterol and lowers heart disease risk. Aids nutrient absorption, enhances absorption of fat-soluble vitamin. Boosts brain function, supports cognitive health and mental clarity. Provides energy, offers a concentrated source of energy. Regulates hormones, helps maintain hormonal balance. Exercise. A quick morning workout, whether it's cardio, strength training, or even a brisk walk, can boost your metabolism and energy levels for the day. 5 benefits of exercise. Improves fitness, enhances strength, endurance, and flexibility. Boosts mental health, reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. Supports weight management, aids in weight control and fat loss. Enhances cognitive function, improves memory and concentration. Strengthens heart health, reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Get some sunlight. Exposure to natural light in the morning helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which can improve sleep and metabolism. 5 benefits of sunlight. Vitamin D production, boosts vitamin D levels for bone health. Improves mood, enhances mood and reduces symptoms of depression. Regulates sleep, helps maintain a healthy sleep-wake cycle. Supports immune function, enhances immune system performance. Promotes skin health, can improve certain skin condition. Drink green tea or coffee. Both beverages contain caffeine and antioxidants that can enhance metabolism. Green tea also has catechins, which can boost metabolic rate. 5 benefits of green tea or coffee. Antioxidants. Both are rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress. Boosts energy, increases alertness and reduces fatigue. Supports metabolism, enhances fat burning and metabolism. Improves brain function, enhances cognitive function and mood. Supports heart health, may lower cholesterol and reduce cardiovascular risk. Plan your meals. Planning your meals ahead can help you make healthier choices and manage your metabolism better. Plan for health lifestyle. Breakfast. Overnight oats. Rolled oats soaked in almond milk, topped with fresh berries, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Lunch. Quinoa salad. Quinoa mixed with chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, feta cheese, and a lemon tahini dressing. Snack. Apple slices with almond butter. Fresh apple slices paired with a tablespoon of almond butter. Dinner. Grilled salmon with asparagus. Grilled salmon fillet served with roasted asparagus and a side of quinoa. Dessert. Greek yogurt with honey and nuts. A serving of Greek yogurt topped with a drizzle of honey and a handful of walnut. Take cold showers. Cold showers can activate brown fat, which burns calories to generate heat, thus boosting your metabolism. 5 benefits of shower. Maintains hygiene, cleanses the skin and removes impurity. Enhances skin health, hydrates and refreshes the skin. Reduces stress, promotes relaxation and mental well-being. Improves circulation, stimulates blood flow and relieves muscle tension. Clears respiratory passages. Steam helps alleviate congestion. Stretch or do yoga. Stretching or practicing yoga can improve circulation and flexibility, which can aid digestion and metabolic function. 5 benefits of yoga. Increases flexibility and strength. Enhances muscle flexibility and overall strength. Reduces stress. Promotes relaxation and lowers stress levels through breathing and meditation. Improves mental focus. Boosts concentration and mental clarity. Enhances posture and balance. Supports better alignment and stability. Promotes overall health. Benefits cardiovascular health, digestion, and immune function. Stay active throughout the day. Incorporate more movement into your daily routine, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or doing some desk exercises. This can help keep your metabolism active. 5. Active though out. Increases flexibility. Enhances muscle and joint flexibility. Builds strength. Strengthens various muscle group. Reduces stress. Calms the mind and lowers stress level. Improves posture. Supports better alignment and balance. Boosts health. Enhances overall physical and mental well-being.